YouTube channel.
In the Albatross Daycare Hawks group.
Ajay. Okay, today we are going to talk about the planting we did outdoors today. What did we do?
We did
Freya.
Flowers.
Oh, we planted some flowers. What else did we plant?
peas,
Peas. Okay, what else?
green onion,
Green onion.
Radish and carrots and peas.
So many things. We planted a lot of things.
We
What
plant-
did we do to plant it? What was the first thing we did, Tarmo?
we dig,
What did we do?
We dig the soil.
We prepared the soil. How did we prepare the soil?
How we use the plantation to take the mud, and Brian take the mud, and then we use the mud in the packets.
So we put some new soil that came in a packet. We put it in the flower beds. But what did we do with the soil that was already in the flower beds? What did we do with
We
those?
smoothed it.
Uh-huh. And Sophia, what did you do with the soil? When we put new soil, what did you do?
staring there.
You stood in there and you were stomping in there to make it, to press it down. Was it
And-
fun?
We used water, and I was holding, and then I was a little bit putting the drop up.
But when did we do the water part? Was it
In
the last thing or the first thing?
the last
night.
thing.
So we now we already put the soil and we pressed it down. What did we do after that?
We put the water. Right? We put the seeds, and then we put the mud again.
We put
No,
the seed.
no,
How did we put the seed?
We dig a hole for the seeds.
Well, with our hands like.
And then we put seeds there. And after the seeds were there, what did we do?
Then we put mud and put it.
We covered
We-
the mud with
And then we put water.
Also, we covered the holes with more soil,
and then
and
we
then-
wait a little while, and then we put water.
and then we put water. And now what do we have to do now?
Wait.
Wait, I have a question. Do you remember that we said that we were going to use the compost our compost worms made?
Yes.
When do we put the compost?
Today.
Today?
Oh my God, we forgot that.
Should we put it in the afternoon?
Yes, and you have water and
How
it
do-
again.
How do we put it? How do we put the
We
compost?
take all the worms out, and then
Wow.
we can see if there's room, then we leave them, and then we take the sand and put it, and when we find the worm, then we put all worms in our hand and in the all children, and then after we take the all mud, then we put the worms again inside it.
But maybe the worms can't live there if there's no compost.
Well, they make the compost. That's a good thought. I think we have to leave a little bit of the compost there for them to live, right?
Like this much.
And so that they can make more compost.
Like this much.
But how much compost do we put in the flower beds in our
Like this much.
that much? Okay, we can see.
Of course I will. No, dig.
Do we first need to dig?
Yes, and then put the soil.
Okay.
And then we put the seeds. And then we put some. And that is.
Can you now put it everywhere?
Easy.
Here, come in. Stand and just move around. So you said you wanted carrots here.
In the circle,
So we have the carrots here. What else? You said
Gusto
na ayaw here. wait to see our plants grow?
I think 1 month.
1 month,
That will be already.
Week.
1 week,
I think 2 weeks.
2 weeks, and you
1
think,
year.
and you think 1 year. Okay, so
1 year.
I think 1 month.
we will see. We now planted them, and we are going to take care of them. How can we take care of them? What do we have to do?
We don't break them and pull
We-
them out.
And put some water every one day.
Subscribe.
And bye bye in the YouTube channel.
And
And
bye bye.